Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 8585, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 8585, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 8585 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 8585 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 8585 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. What's the meaning of angel number 8585? Angel number 8585 signals transformation, abundance, and personal empowerment. The number 8 symbolizes financial success, inner strength, and karma, while the number 5 represents major life changes, adaptability, and freedom. Together, this repeating sequence indicates that you are on the brink of significant shifts that will lead to material growth and spiritual evolution. It urges you to embrace change while maintaining control over your destiny. Your angels are encouraging you to let go of outdated habits and trust that the changes occurring are divinely guided to bring new opportunities, especially in areas tied to prosperity and personal progress. What's the symbolism of angel number 8585? Angel number 8585 symbolizes dynamic transformation and empowerment. The repetition of 8 emphasizes authority, abundance, and karmic cycles, while 5 adds the themes of life transitions, freedom, and adventure. This number represents a symbolic journey of rising through personal and financial change, often after a period of struggle or decision-making. It's a message that you are being spiritually supported as you redefine your path. Symbolically, 8585 blends material goals with personal reinvention, encouraging you to break limiting patterns and embrace a bold new chapter that aligns with both your inner truth and your practical ambitions. What is the angel number 8585 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 8585 highlights liberation through transformation. The number 8 connects to spiritual authority and the universal laws of karma, while 5 brings a sense of awakening through change and experience. When these numbers combine, they speak to spiritual growth achieved through life shifts, especially those that force you to trust in the divine plan. This number reassures you that your angels are guiding you to embrace your power, release fear, and make spiritually aligned decisions. You are being called to rise above limitations and embrace your spiritual gifts while navigating real-world responsibilities with wisdom and grace. What does the angel number 8585 mean for love? In love, 8585 reflects growth, transformation, and the need for freedom within commitment. It may signal a time when your romantic life is undergoing change, whether through deepening a bond, ending an unbalanced connection, or preparing for a more authentic love experience. The number 8 encourages strong foundations and loyalty, while 5 represents evolution and personal freedom. If you're in a relationship, 8585 asks you to honor your independence while nurturing your partners. If single, it's a sign to release the past and remain open to exciting, growth-oriented love. True partnership will honor your individuality and spiritual journey. What does angel number 8585 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 8585 signifies powerful growth, temporary separation for healing, or a major transformation within the connection. The number 8 highlights the karmic and destined nature of the bond, while 5 suggests that change, freedom, and self-discovery are necessary to evolve together. This number often appears during periods of spiritual testing or breakthroughs, where each twin is called to level up individually. If you're in union, it urges you to evolve together through truth and trust. If in separation, 8585 is a sign that divine timing is at play and reunion may follow after personal evolution and release. What does angel number 8585 for manifestation? Angel number 8585 is a potent signal for manifesting success through change and self-empowerment. The number 8 vibrates with abundance and manifestation energy, while the 5 encourages new experiences and risk-taking. This number tells you that your desires are within reach, but you must be willing to let go of old habits, beliefs, or environments to make space for your goals. Your angels are guiding you to remain positive, adaptable, and bold in your intentions. Focus your thoughts, embrace flexibility, and trust the unfolding process. This number confirms that you are co-creating a new chapter aligned with your highest vision. How does angel number 8585 affect finances? Financially, 8585 signals big changes and increased opportunities for abundance. The presence of number 8 suggests financial gain, career advancement, or entrepreneurial success, while number 5 indicates that change, possibly sudden, is on the way. You might be guided to make bold financial decisions, shift careers, or start a new venture. While this number brings prosperity potential, it also urges caution and adaptability during transitions. Budget wisely, release limiting beliefs about money, and stay open to unexpected pathways. Your angels are showing you that transformation in your financial world is necessary and will ultimately lead to greater freedom and security. What does angel number 8585 mean for former relationships? Angel number 8585 indicates that past relationships served a vital role in your personal growth and are now part of a karmic lesson being resolved. The repeating 8 suggests that these connections may have been karmically charged, teaching lessons about self-worth, boundaries, or power dynamic. The number 5 brings change, release, and emotional evolution. You are encouraged to let go of emotional baggage and forgive yourself and others. Closure is either arriving or needed so you can fully embrace your future. Your angels want you to find peace and use the lessons of the past to fuel transformation and healing. How does angel number 8585 guide your work life? In work, angel number 8585 points to upcoming shifts that align your career with your soul purpose. The energy of 8 brings leadership, success, and material achievement, while 5 signals change, adaptability, and personal freedom. You may be called to take on a new role, switch industries, or even start your own venture. This number supports bold moves and encourages you to use your skills with confidence. It's a message that you are supported in choosing work that brings not just income, but also joy and growth. Stay adaptable, trust your instincts, and embrace career changes as spiritual progress. What are the strengths of angel number 8585? Angel number 8585 embodies strength, resilience, adaptability, and ambition. Individuals influenced by this number are often courageous, innovative, and capable of navigating change with grace. The number 8 provides focus, drive, and a talent for leadership, while the number 5 adds versatility, curiosity, and fearlessness in the face of the unknown. These strengths combine to create someone who thrives during transitions and uses setbacks as stepping stones. 8585 also represents inner strength and a strong connection to intuition, allowing one to align their goals with divine purpose. It's a number that fosters powerful, lasting transformation through self-empowerment. What are the weaknesses of angel number 8585? The weaknesses of angel number 8585 stem from restlessness, resistance to stability, and overemphasis on material success. The influence of number may 5 cause impulsiveness, inconsistency, or difficulty committing to long-term plans. Meanwhile, the number 8's ambition can manifest as control issues, obsession with results, or burnout from overwork. People aligned with this number may struggle to balance freedom with responsibility or find themselves caught in cycles of overextension. To grow, they must embrace structure without sacrificing flexibility and recognize the value of rest and emotional honesty. Balancing drive with mindfulness helps neutralize these tendencies and unlock true potential.